Hello everyone, myself Sankit, and today I'm gonna talk about a serious issue, a social norm, a thing which is preventing India to be a developed country, and the obstacle in the way is child labor. Yes, you heard it right, it's child labor. At present, India has 60 million child laborers. So you may think, why am I speaking about it? Is it necessary for me to speak about it? And is it necessary for you to listen it? And the answer is yes. It is a serious issue which we should stop as early as possible. So let us know what child labor actually is. Child labor is when young children lose out their childhood and find themselves in exploitative working conditions. Children are most often involved in child labor because their parents or guardians consider it normal for children to work, and sometimes for children's own survival and that of their families. Children find themselves in exploitative working conditions due to factors like poverty, social norms, lack of access to education, poor access to decent work, conflicts, and mass migration and emergencies. These are some of the root causes which makes children particularly vulnerable to child labor. So let us know the consequences of child labor. The consequences are staggering. Children are exposed to accidental and other injuries at work. Child labor can result in extreme bodily and mental harm. It can lead to slavery and economic exploitation. And in nearly every case, it cuts children off from schooling and healthcare, restricting their fundamental rights and threatening their futures. They should thus be protected to prevent social, economic, and physical harm which persists to affect them during their lifetime. So, how can we stop child labor in India? There are some ways to tackle child labor in India. Number 1. We should spread awareness about child labor and consequences of child labor. Number 2. Government should make strict laws and effective implementation. Number 3. Building more government schools and sending more children to schools. Number 4. Discouraging people and reporting to authorities who employ children in homes, shops, factories, etc. Number 5. Supporting NGOs like Save the Children. In conclusion, it is high time to consign child labor to history books and allow children to realize their rights. Child labor is a fact for life for children, and it is an issue that affects all of us in many different ways. It is not only duty of governments and international organizations, it is duty of everyone to stop child labor. Communities, employers, teachers, businesses, parents, children, and you. Yes, you. Don't say, what can I do? The change starts within each one of us and only ends when all children are free to be children. Together, let's pledge an oath. Child labor is a terrible crime that we won't support.